$31.88. So this was an in-stock in Toys R Us since Christmas. So I bought this one today. I waited and saved my money till this one or two of them is in stock. If you have this kind of Lego sets, you can follow along with the video. I'm gonna do the Liopleurodon. Welcome to Harold's Curious Mind! And this is the one that I'm gonna build. First, we're gonna open both of them. It's these ones. But I wasn't doing the ones that opening the second box. There, and this. I'm just gonna follow the one right here on the Chromebook. I'm gonna start building it, and you can follow along. But remember, you need two Lego 31.88 sets. So I can find the pieces I need. This is how messy I built my own creation. I'm doing is this one first. Now this one is the first layer of the body. It looks like a beheaded fish. This is the middle part of the body. I'm building the other part of the body. And I just needed to get two parts of this, the one by one. And it goes right here. And then after that, we have to get those large 1x6 pieces. Like this. It should go right over here. And even the other one goes here. There. This is the tail part and this is the middle body part. I'm gonna attach it. There. And I'm doing it my style. Uh-oh. Let's just get it and reattach it. There. That piece, where's that piece? No. Now this is the tail. I'm gonna attach it. Oops. There. So guys, this is the halfway of the finished product. This is the neck part. Now attaching the neck to the body. There. So guys, I'm almost done and I was so smart to build my Liopleurodon using those two Lego 31.88 sets. Guys, this is a little challenging when I'm finding the parts. So, no, not this one. Wait. So, I'm even finding those parts. Remember, it's a little challenging. I even needed to find out one by two. There. And it goes there. Now we needed to check if this... Oh, no. Just wait. I just needed to... There. So guys, this is the teeth part. And there. So we even let's try to attach it. Oh my god, I can't. I guess it's done! The Liopleurodon is complete! So guys, this is how it looks like from using 2 Lego 31088 sets. Thanks for watching! So this Liopleurodon is complete, but there's still a lot of spare parts, so I know what to do. I can still use this for my other creations. So guys, I built the Liopleurodon using the parts inside these boxes. Guys, this is a very good challenge, and it even has a lot of details and it's neat. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and share too.